whichever one I'm in, yeah, I'm good like that. Yeah, I'm good like that. Telling you that I might never go to sleep, stay up all night, doing just what I like. No more hoping, no, I'm right like this. I don't lie like this, I'm on fire like this. You depend on my weakness, satisfying you while I keep bleeding.
Hey guys, welcome in. My name is Katie. If you're new, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back and thank you for clicking onto this video. So today we've got a gorgeous unit to install for you guys, and it is this unit from OMGHerHair. Like, these are my real edges. Literally, it's absolutely gorgeous. This is their curly unit with 4A to 4C kinky edges. And guys, I am absolutely stunned at how well the lace blended into my skin. Literally amazing. This unit did come pre-customized, so it's pre-plucked and pre-bleached. I literally installed this unit straight out of the box, guys, and this is what we got. Absolutely gorgeous. I am so here for this unit. Absolutely stunned at the quality of this unit. Look at the curl pattern, guys. Look, amazing, literally amazing. So before we get into this video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell just so you get notified whenever I make an upload. And also follow me on the socials. I'll leave my handles either up there or down here. And yeah, so if you'd like to see how I style this unit, keep on watching. Hey guys, so today we'll be installing a unit from OMGHerHair. I've never worked with them before, so I'm super excited to work with them. So let me show you what comes in the packaging. So first of all, we have got this gorgeous sleek box that says OMGHerHair. When you open it up, you have got your silk bag, dust bag in there as well. I'll just put that to the side and show you the goodies. So you get nails, which is super cute, and a little headband or head tie. You get comb, a rat tail comb, which we absolutely love, a wig cap, a thank you note as well. So you've got an extra elastic band as well, the ones you can take off. This is the wig straight out of the box, by the way. So the details, this unit is 18 inches, 180% density, and it is a curly texture. Right, so this is how it's looking straight out of the box, guys. The curls on this is absolutely stunning. Here for it. And this is also their 4A, 4C edges. Gorgeous. Look at the lace, guys. And the lace, like, where did it go? You can see it's got a tint of, it's got a brown tint to it as well. So this is this construction. It is a 13x6 unit. As you can see, you've got a deep parting, and you have also got 3 combs at the top, so 2 on the side and 1 in the middle, and then your extra one here at the back as well. And then you've got your regular elastic straps on each end. This unit did come pre-bleached, as you can see. It did come pre-bleached and pre-plucked, so I haven't done anything to this unit. Literally, this is how it looks straight out of the box. So I did go ahead to sleek my edges back. Lord, we are looking so shiny. Okay, it does have a little bit of a smell to it, so to cancel out the smell, I'm gonna use dry shampoo. So I'm gonna use this one, Smells Divine, love it. All right, I'm gonna use some water because, as you can see, okay, so we're gonna just comb it, brush it rather. I'm getting a bit of snags, but nothing bad at the end. So that's pretty much it. Just clip this to the side. The hairline does look a bit blocky, so basically it looks too squarish and blocky, so we're gonna have to pluck it a little bit. By all means, you can, you know, install it like this if you choose to, but I will go ahead to pluck it a little bit so you guys can have a look and see how I do it. So as you can see, this side looks a bit more thinner and more natural for my taste and my hairline, because Lord knows my baby hairs ain't this full, so let's just try and mimic my baby hairs. So there are people that's got baby hairs that are this full and y'all are so blessed, but yeah. Let's just continue. So now I'm going to go ahead to section out the lace, and I'm going to cut it in 3, as I find it to be easier to install my wigs that way. So first things first, you got to protect your skin, and I'm using the Easy Skin Protector. This one's from 𝐒𝐸 Hair Care. I always use this to basically get rid of any excess oil or dirt, and also protect my skin as I've got sensitive skin. So I noticed that Even got a few new products. So they have released a lace melt spray. And this one's got vitamin E. It's basically something that you can use to help preserve your edges, and I'm here for that because, not gonna lie, my edges ain't that full, so let's just try and keep them, you know. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch me do what I need to do, and I'll be back.
She wanna know me, I stay low-key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home, if you let me put it down. Town, you should ride on me, keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, know it's all love, know it's all love. Man, lately, can't nobody do it like I can. Daily, baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home, if you let me put it down. When I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep the one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's...
Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead to melt this lace. As you can see, you've got the cast around. So I'm gonna use the melting spray from Even. I used this the last time and it worked wonders. The only thing is it is quite sticky, so right, so I just used the ADHESIVE Style and Wrap Mousse. Just applied loads on it, onto the hair, saturate it basically, just to make sure it is all coated, and add as much as you need as well. I'm gonna apply some onto the top, just to see if I can get the top to be a bit more curlier than it is right now. And then now we are going to use my detangler and just make sure the curls are clumped together. Ooh, these curls are juicy. The hair looks this dusty because of the, not dusty, but pale because of the shampoo, the dry shampoo I added onto it. I think I put too much. I definitely put too much. Next time, go in with a bit more water. Right, so I'm gonna attempt to clump these hair together. Right guys, so this is the final look. This is how the unit is looking. It is pretty much dry. I did leave it to air dry after adding some mousse and also just defining the curls on this unit. Let me just get up so you guys can see how nice this unit is. Look at the curl pattern. Look at how juicy it looks. I am so here for it. And also guys, look at how well this lace blended in. Like, it is looking like this is my hair. Literally, this is absolutely gorgeous. I am so here for this unit. I'm so impressed at how well this lace blended in. Like, from the get-go, literally without me even adding any lace tint to it, it had already like melted into my skin, and I was very, very impressed. Yeah, let me run you guys through the specs real quick. This is 18 inches and it is also from OMGHerHair, and this is 180% density, and this is also the curly texture with 4A to 4C kinky edges. Like guys, they definitely did a number on this one, and the hair code is GLW02-2MEB. I will make sure to leave that on the screen, and also check down below in the description box for all the specs and details on this unit. Installing this was super easy. Like, I have had a couple of wigs with these sort of edges, with these kinky edges, but this is by far one of the best one I have received so far. The fact that the unit is already customized for you, like you don't have to bleach, you don't have to pluck, everything was already done for you. However, you did see me go in to just pluck a little bit around the hairline because I've just found it a bit blocky, and just so it can rather match my own hairline, and so that's why I went in to pluck it a little bit. Other than that, you guys, this unit is absolutely gorgeous. It is so fluffy and really, really lightweight. Like, it looks so good. I am definitely here for this unit, and I am super impressed with this wig from OMGHerHair. They did so well with the bleaching and plucking, and also with the baby hairs as well. It's not too much, like it's actually the perfect amount, and it's not too long as well. So it was so easy to install. I really do love this one. And yeah, so I'll make sure to leave all the specs and details down below in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And thanks to OMGHerHair for sponsoring this video, and thank you guys for clicking on and hanging out with me today. If you did find this video helpful, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and also do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell just so you get notified whenever I make an upload. And that is all from me today. I will catch you in my next one. Bye.
Who you rooting for? They say whatever team that'll win. I say cool, cause it's gonna be whichever one I'm in.